What today's topic is today's topic or is why did the Europeans took a sea route to India? So uh, let's start. There was Renaissance going on in Europe. What do we mean by Renaissance? Renaissance was an era where the growth of art, literature were facing very much. Because of this Renaissance, the economy of Europe was increasing with a better pace, and therefore the uh, people's income were increasing, and their demand for luxury was also increasing. Because of their increase in demand of luxuries, meat consumption was also increasing. uh, the meat consumption As meat consumption was increasing, people were requiring spices to preserve those meat. And the uh, world supplier of meat of spices was India. Therefore, to get spices from India, uh, to satisfy these needs, they wanted to connect to India. So, what the question arises: how were they getting the spices? Initially, what happened? What was happening that uh, the ships from India went towards that these uh, took a path. Ships took a path from India to uh, towards Red Sea, and then towards Egypt. Right now, do not have any map to explain, but can I draw it? Will it not hide? If we see that Europe is kind of like a mm, this is okay. किसी को ले लेते हैं ऐसा. Right now, I think I'm forgetting the map of world because I had revised it quite time later. Quite early. It has been some time. So you will look into the map and you will easily know what I'm trying to say. So the ships from India went towards this Egypt via Red Sea and Arabian Sea, and the in 1453 the Ottoman Empire captured uh, Constantinople, and later on Syria and Egypt also. Therefore, what happened? These Ottoman Turks, they taxes heavily on the spices from India, and that actually became the worry of uh, uh, Europe. Therefore, a search started to reach India via a different route. I'm sorry for these hammering disturbances. So, what happened? Venice and Genoa were two important locations, and these two cities or countries, I do not know what they were. Both of these tried to both of these were too small to handle these Turks and Arabs. What they did is they Genoa especially provided technical knowledge and ships to Portugal and Spain, and the Northern Europe provided men and money to both of these countries. Uh, their Because of their efforts, they reached India and different countries then followed them. So the pioneer was Portugal. So there were five countries in the order. First of all, Portuguese reached. Then the Dutchess reached. The Dutchess are also what should I say? Dutchess are the people from Netherlands, and around Netherlands, which uh, around Netherlands, I would say, because the geography of the 15th century were quite different. Then came English, then Danes. Danes are the people of Denmark, and then came French. So that explains why these European countries took a sea route. Uh, because uh, uh, what should I say? The real explanation is actually traveling by land was not feasible, and I think traveling via air was not discovered yet. Therefore, they had to travel via uh, sea because it was feasible, and because of these reasons, they reached India. Thank you.